What's up, guys? It's me, your Jimmy Geek. So here is the $17 case which I bought from Amazon. You can also buy from the link below. The best essential phone case ever. Yes, why I'm saying essential phone, because there are not many essential phone PH-1 cases on the market. Yes, that is the reality. Sadly, there are not many cases on the market for the essential phone. So as you can see, I love my essential phone a lot. This is one of the best phone, as you can see, ever. I love the essential phone a lot. I mean, it's amazing, to be honest. Amazing phone, amazingly fast phone. So, but what about the best case for the essential phone? Here is the Poetic essential phone case. Let me open it for you. Oh yeah, it's already open. Here we go. Okay, it comes with some kind of, like, I don't know what to say. It comes some kind of instruction and guide how to use the case. Okay, that's quite awesome. Okay, let me take out the case from, like, here. How the case open? Something like this. Okay, whatever, like this. It's not opening at all. Come on. I just opened from up. Much better. Come on. This case called me $20 total. Including the shipping. $17 right now. $3 for shipping. Okay. Let me put some more pressure. Okay, here we go. Here we go. So let me, they tell us to do something like this, isn't it? Okay, something like, I forgot something to, we need to peel this one off. Okay, here we go. Finally it's coming off. This one is stuck from here. The case just fell down again. Okay, come on. Come on, come on, come on. I think finally it's out. Finally it's out. Finally it's out. Let me wipe my essential phone and put inside. Let me wipe my essential phone. Clean white. This is beautiful, isn't it? Okay, now let me put inside the case. It's telling me I need to slice something like this. I don't know how to put, to be honest with you. Maybe something like this I put inside here. And I try to do like this. It's not going inside. Okay, need to go like this. I'm not 100% sure. I mean, this is like quite messy to put inside. Okay, finally slide in. You need to slide the phone in. And then now let me clean wipe the back also. Put the back case inside. Yeah, finally the case is here. I mean, the case really look quite beautiful, to be honest with you, as you can see by yourself. I mean, the case really look beautiful. You need to be the judge how good the case look. Okay. Wow, I mean, this is the best case ever, I think so. The built-in screen protector is one of the best. I mean, you need to be the judge. For me, one of the best phone case ever. I mean, one of the best case ever for the essential phone. I mean, look at it, how beautiful it looks. So yeah, it was me, Jimmy Geek. This is a must buy, a must buy, a must buy. Let me, show you from the all of the angles. I mean, this is a must buy. Subscribe and buy.